Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to recover WordPress password from cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to reset WordPress password. So basically guys, there is three ways via the forgot your password link. Go to WordPress login screen. Replace the example.com in this link with your actual WordPress installation location. This may be your domain or domain plus a folder location or a temporary URL. Under the login form, click Lost Your Password. Enter the username or email address of the account you are trying to log into. Click Get New Password to have the reset password email sent to that username's email. Via Subtaculous, log into cPanel, scroll down to the software section and click on the Subtaculous app installer. On the Subtaculous page, click on the installations box, navigate the installation that you wish to edit. On the right hand side of the row, click the pencil icon to load installation details. Go to the admin account section on the installation details page. Enter admin username and admin password, and scroll down and click Save Installation Details. Via phpMyAdmin, log into cPanel, navigate the databases section, then click on the phpMyAdmin icon. Click on the WordPress database from the left panelist, then look for WP users and click on it. Click the Edit or pencil icon for the user whose password you wish to reset. Under the user pass row, click the value on the box, replace it with what you would like the password to be. Then in the drop down menu, select MD5. Scroll down and click Go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.